We got Mark, he's not even dressed yet. Ali is dressed, he's overdressed. He's dressed for winter, and I'm dressed like a sausage. But we're off to the GP circuit. I'll shut that visor, maybe it'll make things a little bit more understandable. Mark's got the full Termagoni exhaust system and remap on the V4R now. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, it is going to be, I think, the 4th time he's ridden on the Grand Prix circuit. Oh Jesus Christ. Noisy. I've got the what I believe to be factory racing headers on this. Noisy. That thing is wild. Greetings. Ta-da! So, this is Ali. This will be Ali's first ever time on the Grand Prix circuit on a motorbike, and it's on his first ever sporty bike, which is kind of like half Daytona, half speed triple, and 675cc triple, 116 horsepower. He's got a noisy can on it, so we'll all be able to hear it. John has been on many racetracks before and done many stupid things on bikes, and he's on his R1. His R1 that's absolutely fucking clagged up. I mean, some of that rubber's yours and some of it's other people's. I don't know where you're riding. This, of course, is fucking factory fresh. Look at that. Some sort of, I can't remember if it's like a Aprilia or something. It's a big V-twin. You can see it here, says V4. Has a dry clutch because of reasons.
Because of the dry humor. You know, it all has to be coherent.
Yeah.
You should have known better.
I guess it's dry now because all the oil fell out because of that stupid cover, right?
You know about me, man. I ain't handling no dry things, man.
Only wet things. He's got the little thingy to stop the thingies. This is in case you hit a moose on the track. This is anti-moose technology. Yeah. And on the back we can see we have a really big tyre. I also have a really big tyre, but it's not as big as his tyre. Power RSs as well, eh? 2CT plus. I think that's what I've got. I've got power RSs as well, 2CT plus. Tyre friends. Ali's got the dun slips that the previous owner crashed on after like 5 kilometres. So you're not going to crash on these.
It bodes well.
But this is it. This is a Friday afternoon at the Grand Prix circuit. It's the first group's already on the circuit. We're going to be going out in a few minutes. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be a really busy weekend. It's just that there's not that many people here right now. 1 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. Come and get it. Yeah, we go first, and then the cars catch us up.
In theory.
As soon as you see a car come in, just get the fuck out of the way. Because if they've caught you, they've brought out 30 seconds they've caught you by. So they're very quick at the start. Alrighty. So, second ever time on the MV at the Grand Prix circuit. Fuck you hell. Robert Bosch's got a lot to answer for, man. Whoa! Enough for me. Woo. I'm done. Oh my god, that was a big old slide. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.